Hey guys, it's Kiana.
I'm Kira.
And today we are going to be showing you how to make a pom pom. So
Pom Pom.
here I've made a lot of pom poms. So I've made like regular colour pom poms and like striped pom poms.
Oh, I can't get that
and
one.
mixed pom poms, and everybody loves a mixed pom pom. So I've made quite a few pom poms, and I thought it would be nice to
Got it.
put some in a video and show you guys how to make it because it's very fun.
Yeah, very.
So first you're gonna need cardboard, and you need to like cut in a circle. Two. And then you're gonna have to like put a hole in it. Then you're gonna need two of them. But to get an adult to help you if you're too young is because scissors are very sharp. And then you're also going to need to get some wool. You can do like 2 colours. You can do as many colours as you want. But I want to do 2 colours because I want to make a striped pom pom. So I'm going to do 2 colours. Then you're also going to need some scissors to cut the wool, of course. So let's get started. So first you're gonna like get your wool because you always need some wool, and then you're gonna decide which wool you want to have the stripe if you're gonna make a stripe pom pom. Okay, so I'm thinking maybe like do these. So I decided to do these colours, and I'm gonna have this be a stripe in the middle. Have this as a stripe in the middle. So you're gonna open up your new wool. And then you're going to get some of your wool. You're going to get so you're going to get about that much of your wool. And you're going to cut that. Oh, let me just cut it, hopefully. And then you're going to get another one. As long as that is because it's quicker that way. So we're going to do it the quick way. I'm going to cut it again. And then what you're going to do is you're going to get your 2 pieces of cardboard, you're going to put them together like this, and you're going to put your wool through the hole, both of them. You're going to make it like, so then like it can like fit round. Then you're going to knot it onto the cardboard, so then that kind of like keeps it together, like this. And like make a knot. And then to make it secure, you're going to do another knot because everybody likes to be secure. And then, so we're just going to put that in. So now we have our knot. We're going to get the rest of this wool. We're going to put it round, then through the hole. Then you're going to do round, then through the hole. Again, all the way around. So then you keep on going until the whole thing is covered. So let me just do this quickly.
Like when it's thick.
Yeah.
And like when the hole is like tiny.
big finger will use. So what you're gonna do is you're just gonna keep on going round and round and round until you can't like put your finger through the hole. And then if you like don't have enough wool, you're just gonna get some more wool and tie it on. So see, I don't have that much wool left. And get some more wool from here. Get as much as you want. I would say not too much wool, but then not like too less wool. It's because if you don't have enough wool, then you're just gonna have to keep on like tying, and then you're just gonna waste wool. And then you're gonna cut it again. So I would say like not too long. It's because I've done that before and it gets all tangled. It's really annoying, and then you just waste all of your wool. So then you're gonna tie it on together in a knot. Then you're gonna cut off the excess. And then you're just going to do the same thing over and over again until you can't get your finger through the hole. And then we'll see what happens when, Okay, yeah. So you're just going to keep on like doing that. And then, yeah, so there's nothing really to do except just like do this.
How much colours can you make it with?
Any colour you want. You can just you can make it with as many colours.
Can you even make it with 100 colours?
Yeah, you don't have to put them all at the same time. You can just like do one strand, then you just like keep on going and going and going. With like, if you were to do 100 colours, I do like one colour at a time. So then you do like this colour, and then you do the next a different colour, and then you do a different colour until you've got all 100, and then you keep on going until like thing.
Okay.
Yeah. So that's it.
How do you make like this, like for example, this is very thin, this is very fat. How do you do that?
It's because if you like don't do enough strands, then it will just come out as a mess, and then it won't be good. And then all of it will just fall out. So that's why it has to be very thick. Yeah. So, and I did a pom pom where it was like really thick, and then it's just so fluffy. The more strands you do, the more wool you do, then the thicker it will be, which is good. Now I just finished doing the yellow, and you don't want to put too much, but just like until like the whole, like you can fit your finger through it, like that. Like, so then when you get to the end of it, it's like you can like, it's sort of tight, but like it just fits. Whatever colour you want in the middle of pom pom, you've got to do that colour first, otherwise it's gonna be, you're gonna get the wrong colour. So I want grey on the outside, so now I'm gonna do the grey. And then, so I'm just gonna knot this on. Do a knot. Cut off the excess. That's right. And then I'm just gonna carry on with the same process.
Yeah.
Yeah.
How do we make these pom poms?
Oh, how to make the mixed pom poms? You just do the same thing as this, but you're gonna like get one colour and then the other colour for 2 strands, and then you're gonna like do it round and round and round, so then it's mixed up.
Okay.
Then if you just want to do like one regular pom pom, you just like do the same colour all the way around. It's a smell. You know what, I'm just gonna do this and see what happens again. Guys, now I have finished doing the second colour. It doesn't have to completely cover the first colour because it will just be spreaded out anyway, so yeah. So then what you're going to do is you're going to get your cardboard, you're going to split it like that so then you can see the cardboard.
Like that, yeah.
And then what you're going to do is you're going to get your 2 pieces of cardboard and you're going to split it like that. You're going to split it so then you can fit a pair of scissors through the middle and then you're just going to cut all the way around. So let's cut. And make sure that it's spread out and you don't cut the cardboard. It's because you could always use it again if you don't have any more cardboard. Drop the thing. And once you've finished cutting all the way around, like that, you're going to still leave the cardboard in, but then the colour that you did first, the colour in the middle, you're going to get some more of that wool over here and find the end if you can. If you can't, then just cut some off. And you're going to cut a little bit off so then you can like tie it. Then cut like about this much, not too much because it's just going to trim it anyway. And then you're going to get the thing, the pom-pom, that's going to be a pom-pom. You're going to go in between the 2 pieces of cardboard. Then on the other side you're going to make a knot with your thing. You're going to make a knot. I suggest to do like more than one knot, it's because if you don't then it'll just like fall apart and it'll come into like different strings and it won't be good. If it isn't enough then you can always just like cut another piece, and this isn't working for me so I'm just going to cut another piece. So you just make a knot. I usually do 5 knots so then it's like really secure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now what you're going to do is you're going to rip the cardboard. You're going to take it off. And you're going to rip the other cardboard. And take it off. And then if you don't like it then you can just like trim it on the outside so then it's like all even and then there's like knots in there. And once you're happy with it, you're just going to fluff it out, and that is your pom-pom finished. give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe. Bye!